This is NAVITEL T757 4G, and today I would like to demonstrate that you can clear app cache and data on this device. So firstly, you will need to open Settings, then enter the Apps category. Next, open the list of all apps. Find the app that you would like to clear the data for. So I'll go with caffeine, let's say. In here, go for the storage and cache. And at the storage page, if you would like to remove only the app cache, just tap at the clear cache option. If you would like to erase all user and app data that this particular application stores, go for the clear storage. OK. And that will be it. So thanks for watching, thanks for your attention, and bye-bye.